The federal trial for Sean Diddy Combs is nearing its third week, and today the judge threatened to remove Combs from the courtroom. And back on the stand, Cassie Ventura's friend, who says Combs dangled her from a 17th floor apartment. ABC's Rena Roy recaps today's day in court.
Sean Diddy Combs could get the boot in his own federal criminal trial, with the judge telling the defense he will remove Combs from court if he continues making facial expressions to jurors. The judge saying Combs nodded his head vigorously and looked at the jury, calling his behavior unacceptable. The judge's threat happened outside of the jury's presence after Cassie Ventura's friend, Brianna Bongolin, was grilled on the witness stand. Defense attorneys picking apart her claim that Combs dangled her from a 17th floor Los Angeles apartment balcony, saying, "You came in here and you lied to the ladies and gentlemen of this jury." Bongolin responded, "I can't agree with you." The defense claiming Combs was in New York as part of the Bad Boy reunion tour when the alleged incident occurred, showing the jury a bill from the Trump International Hotel and Tower in New York, saying Combs checked in under his alias Frank Black during that same time period. Multiple charges for breakfast shown from September 26, 2016, the same day Bongolin allegedly took photos of bruises on her body that she testified Combs inflicted when he also slammed her into patio furniture. On her redirect, Bongolin telling the jury she has no doubt that incident happened, saying, "I will never forget him holding me on that balcony," but testifying that she doesn't remember exactly when it happened. The third and final alleged victim to testify in this trial also taking the stand under the pseudonym Jane. She began by telling jurors she met Combs in 2020 on a girls' trip in Miami. She testified their first official date in January of 2021 lasted 5 days. Jane telling the jurors she called Combs Ernie and he called her Bert, like the characters from Sesame Street. Prosecutors say she'll testify that Combs used drugs and threats to force her into so-called freak-offs.
Now, Jane is expected to be on the stand for up to 5 days as a key witness for the prosecution. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.